So thank you so much for being here. And thank you everyone for being here. Nasabi na po nilang lahat, yung aming mga dyan sa tabi, friends, thank you. Nasabi na po nilang lahat, copy-paste na lang po ako. Ayan, thank you po.
I'll intercept this na. Mamaya na po natin pag-usapan ng blockbuster director. Okay, me first. To our ABS-CBN family, all the families, ABS-CBN, I heard not only Star Creatives is here, nandito Dreamscape and all the Prime, nandito kayong lahat. Maraming salamat to all the fans of Janine, Yen. Huh?
Direk Irene, no?
Oh my God! Direct Irene of the Loved One! Wala ba kayong mga kamay? Maraming salamat. Chris Gassman is here. Thank you so much. Everyone is here. Sa lahat po ng pumunta ngayong gabi, punong-puno po yung sinehan, wala na kaming mauupuan. Maraming salamat sa inyo. So, alis na lang kami. Enjoy nyo yung show, okay? Pinaghirapan po namin itong show na to. We shot in Bacolod and in Iloilo for 4 months. So, if you can just imagine the scale. Pinaghirapan din po ito ni Janine kaya tumangkat siya ng ganito kataas. First time po na nag-loyalty testers ang maraming artista dito. Siya rin po. Si Tita Pilar Pilapil po ay loyalty tester din. She's not here today. It's also a first for us to do something like this. Very unique. So thank you. I hope you guys enjoy. Here's Janine Gutierrez.
Hello po, good evening. I just want to say again, thank you so much for the opportunity to be part of this project. Tita Cory, Direk Lauren, of course, Star Creatives and Prime, thank you so much because we were all so grateful to be part of such a new story na talagang kakapitan and we hope kakikiligan, katatakutan, lahat na simula July 3 on Prime. So thank you also to all the fans and all the press for being here. Maulan, pero your support means everything and we're so excited to get your feedback and your reactions sa kwentong ito. And thank you everyone for being here and helping us promote the loyalty game. We're so excited to see you in person and to be here with you. Maraming salamat po.
And here you go. Our blockbuster director, Miss Makers.
Hello everyone. I think lahat naman nasabi na, but I still wanna say thank you to everyone, especially our supporters, our bosses, the management na nandito po ngayon. Maraming salamat po. And our family and friends. Honey, hi! Thank you for being here. So, thank you all for supporting us, for being here tonight. And get ready to binge watch the latest show from Star Creatives and Prime Video, the Loyalty Game starting July 3. And I hope tonight, please help us spread the word. Thank you so much to everyone.
Alright, palakpakan naman po natin ang cast ng The Loyalty Game. Would like to invite the cast again to have another quick photo op with Jericho, Janine, and Direk May to take center, please. For another photo op, take center, please. Thank you.
Una po kayo doon, balik po kayo sa upuan. Sir, tanong na po. Kaya po.
Okay. For a photo op in 3, 2, 1, one in the middle. Okay, once again, round of applause for the cast and crew. Actually, hindi lang naman ang cast, ang lahat po, buong production po. Congratulations in advance to The Loyalty Game. You may now proceed to your